Want to know how to change your Audacity's light theme to darker tone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now, once you've done that, here you should be seeing your current file right here, or your current application. So on the top left side, you should be seeing Edit, and then select Preferences down here. You can select Ctrl+P as well. So once you have done that, here you should be provided with your preferences, and under preferences on the left side, make sure you are under interface right here, and here you should be seeing theme. So you can just simply change it to dark right here, and once you're done, just simply select OK. And after that, after a while, your changes will take place and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. So if these settings do not take place though, you can just simply restart your Audacity application once and you're good to go. Bye bye and see you in the next one.